Hey, and welcome to another episode of Willis Talk. Today we're covering the T-Zone store located on Commercial Street, Salem, Oregon. Right now I don't have an address for it. As you can see, there's no addresses right here. I look down in the comment section down below and I will list it down below for you. While I'm talking about comments, drop a comment. Our hours are Sunday 11 to 6, Monday 12 to 8, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday all are 11 to 9. Let's go on in and take a look. Oh, they have a huge, wide open space. His shirts. Ooh, Blackwoods. Dragon Ball Z. Let's see. They got incense, long and short. I guess that's for those little short burns that you want. Let's see. Vanilla, strawberry, root beer. Ooh. I like it as a food. Not sure I like it as a smell. Ocean wind, lilac, lavender. Lavender always helps everyone. Another good one is mint. They got lots of them all. Need a Zippo to light those incense? They've got quite a different variety here. Forget your glasses on a sunny day, there you go. And you can go solid gold. Need a pin? Anybody want a pin?
I need some screens. Do you have the silver ones? That size, yeah.
And they got all kinds of different smoking. Here, let's take a look in through here. Well, I think I'm obvious, but they normally ask you to show your ID, but I think I'm kind of obvious that I'm over the age of 18. Since this is so layered in here, I will take and show you a couple layers of it, and then I'll leave the rest for you to take a gander. Stock is always changing too. In every place. But even if you see something here, most likely a good shop can order it in. And since this shop has been here for a very long time, I would say they probably can catch you the pipe you need. You got that comment and know what it's for, put it down in the box and say what else you like to see on the channel. I know there's another T-Zone up on Lancaster in Salem, Oregon. Keep your eyes out for the overlook on that one as well. And that pretty much covers this episode of Willis Talk. If you like anything you see, stop on in to T-Zone on Commercial Street. And if you have any ideas for reviews, put them down in the comments. This is the end of Willis Talk's episode. Peace, love, and Go catch them all. Pokemon.